In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off two-factor authentication in Protonmail. We'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account settings and what to look for when managing your two-factor options. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official website and then sign into your account if you haven't already. You'll need your regular login details to access the settings where two-factor authentication is managed. Once you're logged in and you're looking at your Protonmail inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear. When you click the gear icon, a menu or panel will open. From here, you want to look for the option labeled All Settings. This is important because Protonmail sometimes shows a quick settings view first, which doesn't include everything we need. To get the full list of configuration options, click on All Settings. That will open the main settings area for your account. Inside the main settings page, you'll see a menu of different sections on the left-hand side or across the top, depending on the layout Protonmail is using at the time. Look for the section called Account and Password. This is where Protonmail keeps everything related to your login details, security options, and two-factor authentication. Click on Account and Password to open that section. In the Account and Password section, scroll until you find the area labeled Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you can review and manage your current two-factor setup. Even though the focus of this video is on turning off two-factor authentication, it's helpful to understand what's already enabled on your account so you know exactly what you're changing. Within the two-factor authentication area, you'll see options related to the methods Protonmail supports, such as an authenticator app or a security key. An authenticator app is usually something like a time-based code generator on your phone, while a security key is a physical device you plug in or tap. The interface here is where you would enable or disable these methods. To effectively turn off two-factor authentication, you would remove or disable the authenticator app or the security key that's currently active on your account. Protonmail may ask you to confirm this action with your password, and in some cases you may also be prompted for a current two-factor code before you can make changes. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and take a moment to read any warnings. They're there to remind you that turning off two-factor authentication will reduce the overall security of your account. Once you've finished adjusting the options in the two-factor authentication section and removed any authenticator app or security key, your login will return to using only your username and password. Before you close the tab, double-check that your changes have been saved and the settings reflect what you want. That's the full process for navigating Protonmail's interface so you can manage and turn off two-factor authentication.